Hi family, welcome again to our amazing channel. This is Prince Upon and I teach how to make money online. Today we shall learn how to make the easiest money with your phone, guys. Now these days you are aware that our phone is what we use mostly because they are always with us. So today we shall look at an app that will make you go save up to $10 just by playing games, guys. You just play games and you are paid. Isn't this so simple, guys? So without wasting time at all, let us zoom very quick with this app. So the app that we shall use today is called the Aptoid. Right now, this Aptoid is like the Google Play Store that teaches how it is like the Google Play Store where you can download apps from. So this is the app that you can see right on my phone. So when I tap on it and the app opens, guys, so here you can download any app you want, right? So it is like the option for Google Play Store, but we are going to look at this option here, guys. That says earn money. So here, this is a new option that they just added. That is why there's a need for us to make a quick video on that. So there's a section that gives you apps that will pay you, guys, that will pay you as you play with others. So those games are called the e-skills app. But today, the app that we shall use is called the free sell solitaire cash. So here you just need to play this solitaire games and you are paid just by winning them. So as you can see, I've already gotten the app. So here says open. So when you open the app, this is what you meet, guys. So here says that free sell cash. So to be able to play this game, you have to enter your name. So my name is Prince, right? Then I'll press OK. Then here it says that $1 bonus. You can win up to $1, 50 pesos by playing online. So if this is your first time, you can go to the practice option and then you can easily practice on how to play the game before going to the real option that will really make you money. Now you should keep this in mind, guys, that this game you have to play with others. So you meet people online and then you play with them. Now as you win, you are paid, right? You paid raw cash as you win against those people that you meet online. So remember, you have to practice first. Practice makes perfect. So as you practice and you think you are skillful, that is where you have to go to the play online option. So guys, this is a new option that I think we need to learn more about. So you can try this game out on your own and post your comment below how you were able to make your money online. So guys, this is the end of our video, and post your comments or your questions below and I will be glad to answer all these questions. So guys, thank you very much for sticking with me throughout this video, and I'll meet you in our next video to come. Take care and ciao.